Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example f of t is equal to t square, which lies between 0 to 2, and where f of t plus 2 is equal to f of t for t is greater than 2, means where t is positive, means it's a period. What it indicates? This indicates the given function is periodic function with a period 2. Then we need to find out L of f of t. If you see this example, it looks very simple. Means what? What is the question? This is the function. Find out its Laplace transformation. If you just try to understand this, we know the solution for this already, because in a previous example, previous classes, we have already solved such examples where we took this example and we found its Laplace transformation directly, where t raised to n is there. What is the solution for that? T raised to n means what? That is equal to n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. There what we did, if you have taken f of t is equal to t square, then we need to find out Laplace transform of f of t. Then very simple it is. So apply Laplace transform on both sides, then L of f of t is equal to L of t square. Since we have Laplace transformation of t raised to n is equal to n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. As per that, it becomes 2 factorial divided by s raised to 3. Okay, but this procedure is not applicable for this example, because since the given example is periodic. Fine, it is not that simple. Suddenly don't go for the conclusion that that will be the solution, that 2 divided by s cube will be the solution for this. Since it is between 0 to 2 and it is a periodic, please be careful, it is periodic function. So we need to solve this as periodic concept only. Therefore, the Laplace transformation of periodic function with the period t is equal to, what is t now here? 2. T is equal to 2. It is given. T is greater than 2. Okay. Is Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus st into integration between 0 to t e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Fine, f of t dt. So this is the formula which we are going to use to obtain the solution. Fine. Therefore, Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to substitute 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus s into t. But what is t here? 2. So it becomes 2s. Fine. Integration between 0 to 2 e raised to minus st into f of t. Very simple. F of t is t square with respect to t. Fine. Then what to do? Apply generalized Bernoulli rule. Then it becomes Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to, because why generalized Bernoulli rule? We can see it is a product of two functions which has to be integrated. So out of these two, this is algebraic and this is exponential. So algebraic will be the first function and trigonometric will be, exponential will be the second function. Fine. Therefore, 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into, okay, first function t square into integration of second function, that is e raised to minus st divided by minus s. Okay, minus differentiation of first function, that is 2t, integration of the second function once again, that is e raised to minus st divided by minus s into minus s, that is minus s the whole square. Okay, plus differentiation of this function, that is 2, then integration of this once again, that becomes e raised to minus st divided by minus s the cube, that will be between 0 to 2. Fine, 0 to 2. Therefore L of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into, we can see here, we can substitute upper and lower limit everywhere. Then what happens here? It is minus 1 divided by s into t square into e raised to minus st between 0 to 2. Minus of minus s square will be plus 1. So it is minus 2 divided by s square into t into e raised to minus st between 0 to 2. Then minus s cube will be minus. So it is 2 into e raised to minus st between 0 to 2. Segregation. Therefore Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into minus 1 divided by s minus 1 divided by s. If you substitute upper limit here, then it becomes 2 square. 2 square will be 4. 2 square will be 4 into e raised to minus 2s. If you substitute lower limit, 0, because 0 into anything is 0. Minus 2 divided by s square into, if you substitute upper limit, it becomes 2 into e raised to minus 2s. Fine. Lower limit again 0. Minus 2 into upper limit e raised to minus 2s minus lower limit is e raised to 0. Fine. So this is equal to Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into, we can see here, what happens, this is gone. So it is minus 4 into e raised to minus 2s divided by s. Here this is gone. So this is minus 2 into 2, 4 into e raised to minus 2s divided by s square. Then it is minus 2 times e raised to just a minute, this is divided by s cube. Fine, divided by s cube. Okay, e raised to minus 2s divided by s cube, then minus of minus plus, so 1 into 2 divided by s cube. Fine. So Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s into, what we can do here, we can take, if you want, we can club or we can make some common terms. What common term we can take? What I'll do, I'll be taking since divided by s is having a negative term, so first I'll take this divided by s. How many are there? Minus 4 e raised to minus 2s, only single term. Fine. Then I'll be taking s square. Then I'll be taking s cube. Yeah, how many s square terms? Only one. That is 4 into e raised to minus 2s. Then s cube terms are, there are 2. When there are 2 s cube terms, then I'll be taking further common term here. What is that? 2 is there everywhere, so I'll be taking 2 as common. So plus 2 is taken as a common. Then what remains? Minus plus is taken, so this becomes minus, this becomes plus. So I'll take first plus term, minus e raised to minus 2s. Fine. Therefore Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s. Since to avoid minus sign in the beginning, what I'll be taking? I'll be taking first plus term, that is positive term. I'll take from here. Okay, 4 4 2. If I take 2 common, then what remains here? 1 minus e raised to minus 2s divided by s cube. Okay, then s square term, that is 2 times e raised to minus 2s divided by s square, then minus 2 into e raised to minus 2s divided by s. Therefore, so this will be the solution for the given example. Thank you.